Welcome in. It's Dad from Dad and Son DIY It All. And if you do any DIYs, one of the things you need to get is a better night's sleep. So in order to help that out, I recently picked up this COOP Eden king size pillow. We're gonna unbox this, check it out, and see what it's like. So hang in there. Now, I have had a COOP pillow in the past and have absolutely loved it. I will show a comparison once this one gets set up in a separate video, so let us know if you want to see that or if you want to see it compared to any other pillows we might have. Also, we'd love to hear from you what your best tips are for getting a good night's sleep, feeling rested and ready to go. So here you go. First thing you get when you get a pillow through COOP is you get extra filling, so you can adjust the pillow to your liking. Now bear in mind, this is the Eden pillow, so it comes with their oomph AC, which is supposed to be cooler and have more loft. It's got a gusseted edge, but it comes really tightly compact. So we're gonna open this up and then we're gonna show you it inflate. I don't know if it'll be instantaneous or if it'll need some time. So let me get something to safely cut this so I don't cut the pillow, and we'll be right back. I just want to show you, this actually came wrapped inside of wrapping. So the outer layer is wrapped, and it also has an inner wrapper. So we're going to open this up now, and we're going to get this. This one isn't sealed though, so it's a little easier to get out. Now right now, the way this currently is, see my hand here, there's a little bit of loft. So basically the loft, if you were to squeeze it, is about the size of the gusset. What I'm going to do to get this thing started is I'm going to work it up a little bit, flip it, work it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you in relation to the box and how tall this currently is. So this is with the box on its side. And then we're gonna come back and I'll chart the time and we'll see how much thicker this gets. Because you can see, you can barely see anything below the gusset, and above the gusset, you got a good amount. But we're gonna let this inflate for a bit, come back and check in. All right, here we are 3 hours later, and we got thick. So, there's the box behind, barely see it. And I assume that this is going to fluff up even more as we go on. So I will check back in before falling asleep tonight. But before I do, I just want to show you the components of this. So the outer cover, which is washable, is here. So it just unzips. And then the inner is here. Now, this is where, if you'd like to, you can put more stuffing. So you can actually take stuffing out as well if the pillow becomes too thick for you. But that whole extra pad of stuffing is there to fluff it up to your liking, or as time goes on, add to it so you can bring it back to life and get more use out of your pillow. So I'm going to continue to let this fluff, and then we'll show you the end result in a few more hours. And just so we're clear, before we give this a few more hours, I just beat the ever-living heck out of this thing to make sure we get a little more airflow so it plumps up so I can use it tonight. All right, we'll be back. All right, I think we're as puffed as we're gonna get. You see we have significant loft above, so that's about, at this point, God's honest truth, it's about 10 hours of fluffing. So at this point, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, which is this guy, because I buy all the products so you don't have to, and we let you know how they work. So let me get a good night's sleep on this, and then come back, comment below some Z's if you'd love to hear how the night's sleep went. I'm gonna put this thing to the test and let you know how it goes. Appreciate you. If you like this kind of content where people actually buy their own stuff, take a gander at it, review it, you found the right channel. It's Dad and Son DIY it all, Dad and Son do it all, Dad and Son cook and eat it all, Dad and Son collect it all, and Dad and Son game it all. Appreciate you. YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so check it out. Until the next one, all our best.